Alright, what's up everybody? Haven't filmed anything today. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon. I just finished recording a podcast. I'm gonna open up some boxes I just got in the mail. Kettle and Fire sent me something. I should have a knife in here. Alright, I should get a knife for unboxing moments like this. We got some bone broth up on her. So we have chicken flavored, we have beef flavor, and we have mushroom chicken flavor. So excited about that. I do love me some Kettle and Fire bone broth. They have really clean ingredients. Protein 10 grams, carb 1 gram, fat 1 gram. And all the ingredients are rock solid. So this is one of my preferred bone broth brands for sure. I also have a package from Ben Davis at Arsenal of Hope. I had Ben on my podcast a while back. Ben is an ultra endurance runner. He does keto. He used to suffer from PTSD, and keto has helped him tremendously with that. Now he's just doing amazing things, so check out Ben for sure. Whew. I just made a huge mess. Don't ever open these packages like that. That's just falling apart everywhere. So a vacuum is coming. Alright, so we got some UCAN. I've honestly never tried UCAN. So I will try UCAN. I don't know how I'm going to try UCAN though. I've always been scared to try UCAN because it's got 31 grams of carbs in it. It's a super starch. Hydrothermally cooked non-GMO cornstarch. Basically, it's supposed to not spike your insulin. So I'm going to figure out how I'm going to try this. I'm open to suggestions because I've never tried it before. Arsenal of Hope sticker. Smart Wool. Man, he knew I was going to run a marathon or something. But he got me some socks, so I'm going to try these. Some good old F-Bomb nut butters. Ross and Kara at F-Bomb, awesome people. More UCAN. Very cool. I have an F-Bomb shirt, or no, shorts. What? Very cool, some shorts. And then I have a shirt. Man, you fixed me up, brother. And a note. Robert, thank you for everything you have done for me. Good luck with your first marathon. You got this. I wish you continued success. If there's anything I can do for you, please don't hesitate to ask. All the best, Ben. Thank you, brother Ben. More UCAN, and another F-Bomb packet, and a couple more stickers. So, thanks a million, brother. I really appreciate this. I will be wearing that gear and running this marathon, and I will let you know if I have any questions, which I'm sure I will, because I've never done this before, and you're the master at this. So thanks again for all the gear. I'm very excited to use it, and thanks for being awesome. Crystal got a package. Crystal got a package. What you got, babe? What you got, babe? What? What is it?
I'm just kidding. I don't know yet. Aww. This is a gift from my client. Hey there, just a small thank you for your help and support these last few months. A friend of mine makes these, and I thought you could use one in your kitchen space. Ooh, good thing I'm in the kitchen, huh?
Yeah. What we got? Cutting board?
I think it's going to be awesome. I'm ready for this. Woo! Oh my gosh, this is amazing!
Wow, that is really pretty.
That's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
So it's like a cutting board and like a serving platter?
That's so nice. Like a cheese platter.
That's awesome.
Thank you so much.
I just realized that the first 2 clips of this vlog are us opening up packages from people sending us stuff. So awesome, thank you. We really appreciate it. But now we're gonna get some footage of us going to the gym. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
What are we training today?
Chest.
Talk to the camera, baby. Do something. Was that a flex just then?
I was about to be. It's hard to get that. I don't want this.
Alright, we're going to the gym at rush hour, so there's like a ton of people here, so we're not going to be able to film because we just want to go in there and bang out our chest workouts. That's what we're going to do. But I'm going to go heavy. It's going to be epic. Just imagine a bunch of like cool music and like just veins popping and weight pumping. Just imagine that in this next clip right now. And you'll get the idea. Back from the gym, post-workout meal time. Let me show you what we're having. I'm going with that ground beef and that cream cheese with a little bit of salsa added in. Crystal's rocking the salad and a caprese salad. Looks pretty good, baby.
Pork after that too.
Nice. Y'all need to try this if you have not already. So good. Alright, not gonna lie, we have not gotten much footage at all today. It's just been like a very strange day. Actually, believe it or not, Crystal and I kind of like took it easy this morning. We like laid in bed a bit longer, so much that we missed our Instagram live, so sorry about that. Yeah, we just kind of like made pancakes and bacon. I think we were both needing a little breather to just spend time with each other, so that's what we did this morning. So that's why we didn't really get much footage for the day as a whole. Right now I'm about to cook a steak, so I'm gonna get the charcoals going. I've been doing accounting lately. I've actually spent the past several hours reconciling my books, so that's what I'm doing there. But right now, let's get this steak a-grillin'. Boom! Alright, we got that a-smoking. Let's go see what Crystal's up to. Ho-ho! Look at Crystal. Doing some packaging.
Oh, yeah.
Heat sealing. By the way, y'all, we always wash that table in between every use, so don't think that she's just sitting there.
I personally clean it, and I'm very strict about the cleanliness.
Yeah, we keep your bricks clean.
Not Crystal Booty.
Not Crystal Booty. By the way, we got our deep freeze running. Our deep freeze is running now. It's super cold. Gotta love it. We got lots of space now. Alright, so downside to eating this many calories is that I don't really have a whole lot of appetite. I have zero appetite, so it's hard to get on a whole bunch of high volume veggies. So I'm trying to get some greens and micros in through these kind of powders, which isn't really optimal, but it's good given my situation. This one's perfect keto. It's got, let's see here, 40 calories, 30 from fat. It's got like a berry blend, the antioxidant blend, the greens blend. It's got a whole bunch of blends, and it's got the MCT oil powder in it. And it's honestly not too bad tasting as far as greens powder go, but I mean, look at that stuff. I don't know if you can see the angle, but no matter what it is, drinking something that looks like that just is hard to get down. So that's what I'm doing now. Yeah. Dinner has been served. I will say this. I don't know if I'll ever get tired of eating ribeyes, because ribeyes are a thing of beauty. Alright, y'all, so like I said previously, we don't really have a whole lot of footage for today. We just kind of chilled. We made pancakes. What did we put? The pancakes she made were really good. She used the keto meal, eggs. So 1 scoop for 2 eggs.
American Metabolics
Keto meal. 2 eggs. And 1 tablespoon of, or 1 ounce.
Should I just say it? 1 scoop of the American Metabolics keto meal, 2 eggs, and 1 ounce of cream cheese. Your trick is going to be to melt the cream cheese, then add the powder, and then add the eggs. Mix it
very, very tasty. We had that. We had bacon. We had pork jaw. We had it this morning. We didn't film anything. We just kind of took some time for each other. We slept in a little bit, and we watched
Balto.
One of my favorite kid movies, Balto. Good story. So yeah, that's what we did. So not very much footage for today. Tomorrow's vlog should be more exciting for sure. We're getting some new equipment in that I'm super excited about. Hopefully it comes in tomorrow. And if we get that set up, which we hopefully get set up tomorrow, we'll kind of show you how that works. So yeah, look forward to that.
Judy's coming tomorrow too.
Judy's coming tomorrow. She's one of the moderators on the DSK forum, so she's coming to meet us in person for the first time. So super excited to meet her in person. And then Thursday, I'm driving to Tennessee to meet up with Dr. Barry to get my blood labs drawn. So that is our plan. We're sticking to it. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.